Hi, it's Kurt Clements with Insider Show Homes, and I wanted to give you a tutorial on how to use our website to help you search for homes. So give me just a second here. So here we are on the website, and it's insidershowhomes.com, and we're going to click on here where it says Find Your Dream Home. So go ahead and click that, and I'm going to use my information as far as where we live. So in our location or keyword, I can go ahead and type in a city, or I can type in a zip code. To start off the process, we're gonna want to do one of the two. So I'm just gonna type in my zip code. So I live in Aurora. My zip code in Aurora is 60504. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and click it there. Price range. I'm gonna look for homes that are at least, not looking for anything right now. I'm going to look for homes that are at least, let's say, 275, and I can type in whatever I want, even though it's not a drop down here. And then I'm going to do a maximum of, let's say, 400. And I want a property that has at least 4 bedrooms. You can see it's populating our information over here. At least 2 baths. And then I'm looking for just a regular single-family home. I'm not looking for a condo or townhome or anything of that nature. And all this that was right there, it just went into this one little box over here. All right. So when I drop this down, there's our search. So there's a foreclosed property over here, foreclosure. There's a property in Autumn Grove that's been on the market for 3 weeks. Another property over here on Compton that's been on the market for 4 weeks. And here, we have this one on Autumn Grove Circle, 4-bedroom, 3 total baths. It could be 2.5, most likely it is, but that's the way the system reads it. We clicked on that major photo, and now it's taking us to what it pulled from the multiple listing service, which is pretty cool for us. And it tells us, hey, the list price is $284.9, 4 bedrooms, 3 total baths. Again, that would include a half bath as well. Approximate square footage. It's been on the market for 70 days. It was built in 1995, and the taxes are approximately $7,400. Okay, and we have photos over here on the left. Again, partially finished basement, so on and so forth. And again, this is all the stuff that us realtors see online as well. So I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to click back to results. If I were to, I haven't signed in or signed up for this service yet, so if I wanted to save my search, I would need to do so. So I'm going to press save search. It has the search that we found right here. Name this search. I'm just going to type in Kurt Clements example video. Search. Excuse me. Subscribe to instant updates. Sure, why not? It already has my information in here, but it's still going to want me to type in first name, last name, create an account, and I'm subscribed. So again, if you don't want to be subscribed, that's fine. Don't save your search. I think the system lets you come in 3 or 4 times or so before they'll say, hey, you've been in here a lot. You need to sign in or sign up. Oh, by the way, we can also hide them out. But regardless, wanted to let you know exactly what happens. Here, let me get in a bigger picture. Wanted to let you know what happens when you go to our website and how to exactly search for homes. So again, it's Kurt Clements with Insider Show Homes. If you know of anyone looking to buy a home, sell a home, or invest in real estate, please do not hesitate to forward them our information, as we'd be more than happy to help them as well. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.